Hello there, Weather Unrated. It's your favorite wannabe meteorologist, broadcaster, Justin Storm, bringing you my take on the forecast this week. For those of you who saw our last video with Cam DeVries, well, our buddy there was a little disappointed, so everyone here at Weather Unrated, including myself, would like to let you know, Cam, that you are very much appreciated here at Weather Unrated, and without you, your equipment, and your skills, many of our videos would not be able to be brought to the viewers. So if all the viewers out there could put an F into the drop or the comment box, let him know that he's appreciated, and a big thank you to all the hard work he does behind the scenes to make this available for myself, Jared, and Ben. That would be much appreciated. Again, Cam, thank you for all the hard work you do. Taking a look at our headlines though, so it's going to be warming up overnight, a warm week ahead, and a chance of rain and snow coming up on Saturday night and Sunday morning we'll talk about in our future cast. So believe it or not, finally for this North Dakota winter, we are at average 36 degrees for our high temperature today, and look at our low, 10 degrees above average, sitting at 29 tonight. Records being set back in 2012 of 74 degrees and 1908 of, well, we're going to cover that up because nobody wants to see it, no one ever wants to talk about it, so we're not going to talk about it. Sunset tonight will be at 7:40. We're getting closer to 8 o'clock, almost 3 minutes per day. Here's our national temperatures now. Grand Forks sitting at 35 degrees. Over here on the west coast, Portland being at 68. LA being at 63. On our east coast, 52 in DC. And a comfortable 70 degrees down here in Miami. I bet you they're loving life with that nice ocean breeze right now. Now we do have some hazards we need to talk about. And I'm going to say something nobody ever wants to hear. It is the F word. Flooding. We have some flooding warnings stretching from Rapid City along that Nebraska-South Dakota border. Most of Nebraska actually being affected by these warnings, but for our area, up and through Marshall, into Minneapolis, through Minnesota, and even parts of Wisconsin being affected with these river flood warnings. A lot of these rivers are reaching record levels, so hopefully that everyone down there is being safe. I actually just saw a video of a bridge that's 39 feet above a river, and it is almost underwater. There are houses literally underwater in Nebraska right now, so hopefully down there everyone's being safe and everyone's accounted for. Into the Fargo and Grand Forks area, no flooding warnings right now for the area, and hopefully we don't need to see any of those because nobody wants to see a flood through the Red River ever again. However, there is a chance that we will have to worry about flooding for the Fargo area. They did just issue an emergency and they will begin sandbagging in the next few days. So hopefully we have a slow warm up so this water has plenty of time to work its way out of the area. But for right now, no flooding warnings for the Grand Forks along that Red River Valley through all of North Dakota. Into our satellite radar, we do have a system working through the central United States bringing more rain into Nebraska and Iowa. They do not need any more of that rain. Again, they are underwater already, so hopefully it can work its way out fast enough so that way they have time to dry out and that water has time to move out of the area. For our area, however, not a whole lot to talk about. We have a few flurries in northern North Dakota and northwestern Minnesota, and those are slowly dissipating, so we shouldn't have to worry about those too much at all. A few passing clouds, again, mostly cloudy for the Grand Forks area right now. And if we take a look into our future cast now, we are going to have a cold front. It actually is going to bring us warmer temperatures overnight, believe it or not. And we will have some clouds Thursday early morning, but those will dissipate as we have another cold front work its way through Thursday afternoon due to another pressure system way up in Canada. It's not going to be affecting us other than bringing us a little bit of a cold front to the area. We should be experiencing clear skies, but we do have a chance of clouds rolling in Thursday overnight. But come into Friday morning, here we go, Evan. We have a big old H that's going to work its way through Minnesota and into Wisconsin, bringing us some clear skies for the Grand Forks area. But here's our next system, bringing more water, not helping the flooding in South Dakota and Nebraska, and hopefully it doesn't affect our area. But right now it is looking like it is going to stretch all the way up to Fargo come Saturday night and into early Sunday morning. We'll keep you posted on that in the days to come. Right now, here are regional temperatures expecting to be around 34 degrees in Grand Forks, 33 in Fargo at 6 o'clock tonight, 36 in Minot. And as we go overnight and into Sunday morning, you're going to see these temperatures slowly decrease before our cold front works its way through, increasing those temperatures a couple of degrees with that north wind. And we should be sitting right around 34 for the Grand Forks area, low to mid 30s for all of the surrounding area around Grand Forks into Minnesota, North Dakota, and South Dakota. But that'll bring us into our forecast now, expecting a low of 29 degrees. Again, those temperatures increasing overnight with that west wind at 10 to 15, transitioning from the north into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow will be a nicer day though, expecting to be 37 degrees with that north-northwest wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And as we work our way into our 7-day forecast, yes, we put some cherry blossoms up there because that's what we're working our way into coming into spring, looking like we're expecting to be in the low to mid 40s all through next week.